Hey, hello and welcome back to Seed IT Solutions. In this video, I will show you the correct way to schedule Microsoft Teams meeting using the Microsoft Teams desktop app. We will cover every option and explain what each settings does and share a few tips that many users don't know. So let's get started. So before we begin, if you are interested in Microsoft 365, Teams, SharePoint, Exchange Online, and Microsoft troubleshooting videos, just subscribe to Seed IT Solutions and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the future tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to schedule Teams meeting, how to invite participants to the meeting, how you can add meeting details, configure meeting options, share the meeting invite, and best practices before sending the meeting invite. So let's jump into Teams. Okay, so I have opened Microsoft Teams meeting desktop application and I have signed in using my Microsoft 365 account. On the left navigation pane, you will see different apps like chats, calendars, calls, and more. To schedule a Teams meeting, we have to click on the calendar. On the top right corner, you will see this option New. Just click on this Create a new event. Here you can see there are different options. You have to enter your meeting title here. Let's type Team Stand Up Call. You can invite your attendees here by clicking the available name, or you can just type the email ID. As you can see, the name has already popped up here. I will click here and press enter. You can invite internal as well as external attendees to this meeting, but only if external access is allowed in your organization. Here, you can set the date and time of your meeting. Now choose the meeting date, start meeting time, and end meeting time. Always verify the correct time zone, especially if participants are joining from the different countries, because the every country has a different time zone. Why it's important? Because it's an important setting that many users often overlook. The time zone determines the exact meeting time for everyone who receives your invitation. If you are scheduling meeting with colleagues or customers in different countries or regions, selecting the correct time zone is very important. For example, I am currently in India Standard Time. If I schedule a meeting for 3 p.m. IST, Microsoft Teams automatically converts that time for attendees based on their local time zone. So, someone joining from London or New York will see the meeting invite at the correct local time in their calendar. This helps avoid confusion and ensures everyone joins at the right time. If you frequently work with global teams, click on the time zone option and verify that the correct time zone is selected before sending the invitation. For most users, Teams automatically detect the time zone based on the Windows settings. However, if you are traveling or using a device configured with the different time zones, it's always a good idea to double check it before scheduling a Teams meeting. Here you can add a room or locations. If this meeting happens regularly, click recurring. If you want to schedule a meeting for every day, you just have to select a weekdays. This meeting will repeat until 11 January 2027. This saves time since you don't have to create meetings every week. Here, you can just simply enable the Teams meeting option. Once you share this Teams meeting with your colleagues or customers, the Microsoft Teams will automatically creates a meeting link. Here, you can type your message. Once it's done, just click on send. Once you send this meeting, your meetings will be appear here in the calendar. As you can see, we have a daily meeting, so our meetings is appeared a daily till the Friday. If you have missed anything in the meeting, You can just simply click the meeting and click on edit this event. You can change the time again and send the meeting update. Since I have not changed a daily meeting time, this changes has been made only to this meeting. If you want to cancel this meeting, you can just simply cancel here, cancel this event and type any message and send invite. So I have selected the single meeting and cancel the event. That's why it is cancelled from the particular day. So once I cancel the meeting, all the attendees will receive the cancellation notification. Since I have cancelled a single meeting, that's why all the other meetings are still there. If you want to cancel all the meetings, you just have to select the cancel and select all events sent. Now we can see all the meeting events has been cancelled. So here are the best practices. Always include a meeting agenda. Double check attendee email addresses. Enable recurring meetings instead of creating new ones every week. Schedule Teams meeting according to the participants' time zones. Test your microphone and camera before the meeting starts. I hope this tutorial helped you to learn how to schedule Microsoft Teams meeting using the desktop app. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Seed IT Solutions and share it with your colleagues who are learning Microsoft Teams. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.